Leonard Panlin live at the scene at the chaos on Power Street construction site. Where it seems as though multiple injured parties have been retrieved from the top of the construction site and brought down below to receive medical attention. LSBN will continue to cover the situation as it develops. It seems as though there are 4 injured parties total. We are still waiting confirmation as to whether or not this has to do with the alleged block party sweeping terror across Los Santos. There's Air 1. Oh, that's a great shot. Air 1 is returning to the top of the construction site, potentially to retrieve... Oh, there we can see yet another injured party at the top of the construction site. Here we can see injured what may potentially be triplets. All of them dressed and looking the exact same.